you good there?
Yep, let's do it.
We are trying to maximize this beautiful sheet of tan, high-density Portugal cork. I see my old, you know, I like to save shit love. There's an old Cork Tex Wiley cork box. See the box? Yep. I miss Wiley cork, but if I don't hurt myself, here, check this out. There's a wonderful piece. That's a wonderful piece of.
The texture is so much different.
Yeah. Smell it. Yeah, smell it.
Like glue?
Yeah. Well, not like glue.
No.
But it's got, I don't know, it just has a different smell. Especially when you cut it. It's just totally different. And it's, cork is tree bark, right? So it's the same freaking bark. It was just the way that it was put in. This stuff will never absorb water. This stuff here will absorb water.
How old is this piece?
Oh, man. I don't know, late 90s? Maybe early 2000s. Like 2000, 2001, maybe. But anyway, I miss Wiley cork. So anyway, and you know, what did I just say? This was $188. You know how much this was?
20?
35.
Wow.
So.
Wow.
That's why we want to maximize our cork. My teal, I believe, is a pretty large body. I can finagle 19 bodies out of this sheet of cork, but I don't need 19. I only need these 7 to go along with the other 20 that are behind you, to go along with all those 27 teal heads that are on the bench.
Yep, the ones that Jeff has been working on this week.
Yeah, so. But really what I'm trying to do here is, I do have much more room in the carving shop versus the trailer, but I'm still very conscious about how I'm going to get this big sheet of cork through the bandsaw. So basically, at least, you know, halfway through, I'm very conscious about lining them up so I can cut them out pretty easy. After I get these on, another easy way is if you have old cutouts. Well, why do I have these?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Like,
Yeah,
you know,
thank you.
Did you sacrifice a sheet of cork to make these little?
No,
what
I
are they, like 3/4 inch?
No, I did not. And thank you, because I was drawing on a 4-inch sheet of cork. What this is weird. This is like 3.6, or it's not even a little more than 3.5. But for my teal that I want them to be about 3 inches tall, and I put a bottom board on everything, this is basically the bottom board. So cut them off. So, and in this case, it gives me, there's a little polymer right there, see? Gives me lots of little patterns. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 2. But yeah, it just makes it very easy to maximize a sheet of cork.
Yeah, lay it out.
Right. I've back in the day, some bluebill and definitely the Scoter, when I didn't have the cutoffs, because usually I don't. It's 4-inch thick or whatever. I'm not cutting the cork. I'm stuttering. I'm not going to cut these off of Scoter bodies. Let's say, right? So I have in my folder over there. I might just put on a photocopier.
Yeah, I think we did a video last year of that. With it was just a piece of paper, and you had to keep moving it each time.
It was the new teal body that I did here because I didn't have these yet. So, okay. But yeah, if you say, well, I don't have these cutouts, well, just go make whatever your paper pattern is. Go make your get on a copying machine and get her done.
So how long do you think it'll take you to get these
up to speed?
Yeah.
Right there is all the teal tails, so we're good there. So really, it won't take long. There's my bottom boards for the teal. Is that dangerous?
Yes.
Yeah. Bottom boards for the teal, so it actually should go fairly quick. I don't know.
And then you'll get all these done, and then you'll just set up camp in the paint shop.
Yeah, well, the next step, so I'm going to cut these out on the bandsaw. I'll run them back through the bandsaw to get my thickness of the body that I really want. I'll make sure I cut the bottom boards, which if you want to go over there, you can kind of see the bottom boards on those, right?
Yep. Up here.
So get the bottom boards on, and actually you can see I already got if you see the pencil marks?
Yep, for the tails.
So the tails are already marked. The tails take a little bit to glue up. So I'll cut that slot, put the tail in, and I'll save the piece of cork and we glue the cork in. You've probably seen it done it with, you come out and like there's duct tape all over everything. You just kind of use it to hold them in there for the expanding polyurethane glue. And it won't take long. I'll run them back through the bandsaw, assign each head to a specific body, and just try to get them done as quickly as I can. So that's all I got, love. I'm gonna put. Here's a Tom Matus Harlequin pattern he drew out for me years ago. Here, here. What? 2009. So I've been using this quite a bit. So I think I have 4 heads over there. So we'll get these. Not only have one of this pattern, so it's gonna be a little challenging. Actually, I think I should continue on down here. All right, so I should have more than one of these. All right, enough of that. You want to come back out when I start cutting out or not?
If you would like me to.
And it's not that sexy.
Okay.
Just lots of pushing through.
All right, I'll come out and get a couple minutes of it.
All right. Appreciate you following along with us. Thank you very much. So very happy, whatever it is Friday. It won't be Friday by the time I get this up. Maybe I'll get up tonight.
You might.
The podcast is up for Monday morning.
Good.
If you don't follow along, please check out the Pitboss podcast. Brought to you by our very good friends at Molly's Place Sporting Goods and a bunch of other great companies. Got 2 black ducks for sale.
Where are they?
That one there. I don't know where the other one is.
This one?
Yeah. Should get rid of that, huh? Oh, there's the other one. Hard left.
Yeah, they're nice. I like
If anybody's interested, they're hollow, tan cork, cedar heads.
You know that giant mammoth thing?
I gotta get him finished. Put a bottom board on him, put a tail in him, throw him in the water this year.
Okay.
Much like the one on the shelf. Hard right up.
Oh, this fella.
Yeah, except that's even small. That'll should be about the same size body, except that was a weird angle in that. It was kind of makeshift.
The preening.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
All right.
Get to
Again, thank you for following along with us, and love, thank you for your help. I appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, have fun.
All right,
Keep your fingers.
Stop. That was horrible. Now I will hurt myself.
Stop. It's been that kind of day.
Oh my goodness.
Stop.
Damn, hip hurts, knee hurts. Dog training's rough. Dog training is rough.
All right, love it.
Bye.